And welcome back, folks. Professor Almeida here with a video on how to complete your Connect assignments in COSA 30. And the main reason why I want to put this video together is because there are quite a number of quirks in these Connect activities, and I want to make sure you understand how to navigate about these assignments. So if you have any questions, watch this video in full, and if you still have questions, you can always ask in the Open Collab forum where your peers can help you out. All right, let's just get right on into it here. This is our COSA 30 class, and let me show you how to get started with these Connect assignments. Now, you'll notice that you have both SimNet and Connect. We're focusing on the Connect side of the house today. All right, let's say I want to do the how to use investigating technology assignment because as you can see here, this is one of the two assignments due in the first week. So let's take a look at how to use investigating technology. All you have to do is just follow the link and it will launch automatically. Now on my end, I have to launch it manually. That's why you saw that screen. But this is what your Connect assignment looks like. Okay, let's give it a moment. Now here's quirk number one. Okay, you have to remember which assignment you clicked on. In this case, how to use investigating technology. If you change your mind, let's say you want to look at Computing Fundamentals Domain 1 instead, you have to leave the assignment, right? You have to leave the assignment, go back into Canvas, okay? Go back into Canvas and actually follow through on the Domain 1 assignment. And again, it's going to launch it for me. And in this case, I have to preview it. Okay, but again, it's all done automatically in the background. So again, this is what the interface looks like. And if I go to my assignment, again, I have to remember what I clicked on here. And in this case, it's Domain 1 mobile devices. Now, before we get into the assignment, I want to show you the library real quick here because as you will see, when you get started with Computing Fundamentals, there are worksheets for you to fill out to help you study for that portion of the IC3. And the answers to the items in the worksheet can be found in the library. Let me show you real quick here. All right, so let's say we want to look at cellular phone concepts. Okay, let's go ahead and click on this. Now, here's the information on how cell phones work. So you can go through, study this, write things down if you don't understand them. Okay, let's take a look at another item here. So sometimes
cell phones and cell phone networks provide.
So if you need to have this read back to you, you can go ahead and click on play.
Worldwide connectivity.
And it will do that for you. So here's the slide concerning what it means to have a cell phone and what it implies. So make sure that you study these items because they're going to show up in your actual assignment. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and do the assignment. Again, you have to remember where you started. So in this case, Domain 1.
Let's start learning. This adaptive.
Okay. Let's go ahead, click on OK. You'll see there's a progress meter here showing 0%.
Pick your next learning mission. This will help you learn in a more focused way.
So we're going to choose complete the assignment, and you'll see that it's going to take me 23 minutes. Okay, this is what it looks like. When connected to a Wi-Fi signal, a cellular-enabled tablet computer, blank, incur cell phone plan data usage charges. So you might get a drop down like this, you might get a fill in the blank, or it might be multiple choice. Okay, so I'm going to choose my answer. So that's the first part. And then, how well do I know this answer? Do I know it? Do I think I know it? I'm not sure. I have no idea. In this case, I know the answer to this. Again, read this carefully. When you're connected to a Wi-Fi signal, cellular-enabled tablet computer does not incur cell phone plan data usage charges. All right, let's go ahead and submit it. And I am correct. And now you'll see I'm 7% of the way through. By the way, try not to check your gradebook as you are doing these assignments. And the reason for that is because your progress is synced in real time. So in the gradebook for this Computing Fundamentals Domain 1 sim, it's going to show 7% in the gradebook, and you're going to think that you're failing on the assignment, and it might actually bring your grade down. So try not to look at it until you hit 100%. Okay, hope this makes some sense. All right, let's say that I need to leave the assignment. I can just come back here, leave the assignment, and then it will, it will save my progress for me in case I want to come back. Now, one more thing I want to tell you about recharge here. Let's say that you've actually finished this assignment and you need more study time. Recharge will be available to you 24 hours, give or take. About after 24 hours, you can go back into the domain and then do a recharge, and that way you can study more. Anyway, I hope this has helped you out so far. There's one more thing I want to show you, and that concerns quizzes. Okay, so real quick, let me get back to our modules page here. All right, so while that's happening, let me scroll down to quizzes. So let me show you what a typical quiz looks like. And again, this is going to launch automatically on my end. I actually have to manually start it. Okay, so it might take a moment here. By the way, make sure that you have a good internet connection if you are working off campus. Okay, so just make sure of that part. Okay, so again, I need to preview this. On your end, it's going to be automatic. This is what a typical quiz looks like. Okay, so you go in, you answer the questions. Be aware of the number of attempts you have. Okay, be careful with that because, again, you want to make sure that you try for the highest points. Now, these quizzes are open book, open notes, open web. They're just a way for you to practice for the IC3. Anyway, I hope this video has helped you out. Good luck on your Connect assignments. Again, if you have questions, post up in the Open Collab forum where your peers can help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around. Take care, folks.